A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:15 p.m. for southeastern Alamance, Person. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Person County, Vance County, eastern Orange County, northwestern Harnett County, Granville County, Lee County, Wake County, Durham County, eastern Chatham County, northwestern Franklin County until 2 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Virgilina to near Durham to 7 miles south of Goldston in Chatham County, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail, heavy rainfall. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Sanford, Henderson, Oxford, Creedmoor, Pittsboro, and Wilmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near a lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Durham, Franklin, Granville, Harnett, Lee, Orange, Person, Vance, and Wake.